This is a demonstration video for how to remove a hard drive from an Asus laptop Model X83V. Obviously the laptop is upside down. This is the front of the laptop facing me. This is my right side. This is where the compartment where the hard drive actually resides is. This is where the battery is. These are the stickers where the serial number and other information is. This door to this compartment actually has one place for a screw. I've already removed the screw. The first time you do this, it might be a little bit more difficult to remove this panel. Just remove the panel. This is the hard drive inside of a container, or I'll call it a cage. There is, again, one place here for a screw, which I've removed already. This is the wireless card for the laptop. In order to remove the cage, there is a piece of material that is attached to it. Just grab it like this. I'll pull it out very gently like this, and as you can see, it has now been detached from the connector. And then to completely remove it, just pull it very gently out. So that is the actual hard drive itself. The hard drive is, again, inside of a metal cage. There are screws, 4 screws securing the hard drive into the cage, there, and on the other side too. So if you're replacing the hard drive, you would need to first unscrew the hard drive from the cage. To reinsert the hard drive, just place it back in. Notice that the SATA connector pins, this is a SATA hard drive, the SATA connector pins are facing up. And then I'll just place the cage back in there very gently. Push it back in to the connector. And now the hard drive is reconnected. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave a comment on the video. Thank you.